Hey you guys, before I start this tutorial, I just want to share with you just a current situation with my temples that I have recently discovered the reason behind why I get this occasional thinning right here in this same area. So I get teratomas that form on my left ovary. And I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to cysts and endometriosis and the pain that's associated with it. And in addition, I do fast on a regular basis. So I notice that when this happens, I tend to thin right in that area. And I know that pain and fasting could change your cortisol levels in your body and cause your hair to thin out. So this is my conclusion right now, and I'm so happy and I'm going with it because once you have a solution, you kind of know how to fight it. So this is going to be a tutorial on how I'm going to shape my hair so that I'm hiding the thinning that's going on and that I can also wear my hair straight and curly. So right now I'm just giving you the straight version because we always need a solution and we always want to wear our own hair and hide the thinning. So keep watching. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. I'm just going to flat iron the other side and give it that same shape. So you know that I am growing out my tapered sides. But because that portion that was thin right above my eyebrow, now you can't really tell that it was thinner in that section because I made it look like I have a nice edge up and it's just more of like a taper cut. So that's how I blended the thin part and the thicker part. And now, excuse the unfocused camera in this part of the video, but I'm just taking my Remington flat iron and giving the back of my hair not too much tightness of a bump, but just some body. And I'm going to do the same with the front. And I'm going to take a rake and just rake it out so that it has that feathered look. yeah, so before I get up out of here, of course I got to share with you what I use before I press my hair out. I use Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil, the one with the apple cider vinegar in it. I call it muddy water because that's what it looks like to me. But listen, that conditioner is amazing. And I like the lightness of my hair. Usually, thicker conditioners weigh my hair down because my hair is so fine. And I also use some coconut oil lightly. I do not like a lot of oil, so if my hair appears to be dry to you, it's really not dry. It may be the lighting, but my hair is not dry. It is the right amount of luster so that I can do this, because too much oil, I would not have any movement. So please, down below in the comment section, let me know if you are dealing with endometriosis, cysts, or teratomas. I would love to hear your story and just get a conversation going. And as always, live life on purpose with purpose. Love you guys.